Construction sites can get seriously dangerous, so knowing what safety equipment a construction worker should wear is the real deal to stay safe and avoid nasty injuries. Alright, first up, you gotta rock a hard hat because your head's basically your most valuable asset on site. Stuff can fall or bump unexpectedly. Then, don't forget safety goggles to protect your eyes from dust, flying debris, or any sparks that might pop up while you're working. Gloves are a no-brainer to keep your hands safe from cuts, burns, or just plain rough materials. Steel-toe boots? Yeah, those are essential for protecting your feet from heavy stuff dropping or sharp objects lying around. High-visibility vests are clutch too, especially if you're working near machinery or in low light, so drivers and coworkers can spot you easily. Also, always make sure your gear fits right. Too loose or tight can mess things up or be uncomfortable all day. Keep everything clean and check it regularly for damage. Busted gear won't protect you like it's supposed to. And don't sleep on hearing protection. If you're around loud machines, your ears will thank you later. One of the biggest mistakes folks make about construction worker safety equipment is skipping the hard hat because it feels annoying or hot. Never do that since head injuries can be a total game changer. Another common slip-up is using gloves that aren't suited for the job, which can lead to cuts or burns. Always grab the right type, whether you're handling chemicals or just rough materials. Lastly, people often forget to wear high-visibility vests when working in dim conditions, which makes accidents way more likely. Just put it on every time you're near moving vehicles or poor lighting. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors without the hassle or stress. Plus, it's a great spot for contractors looking to connect with people who actually need their skills and want honest work done.